Hey guys, welcome back to Winnfrey's kitchen. Today I'm making an egg dish that I've fallen in love with so much. Shakshuka, an authentically North African dish that is now loved by many around the world. It is mostly had during breakfast or even as a snack. Let's get started.
Winnfrey's kitchen.
The ingredients we need are 5 eggs, 3 medium-sized tomatoes, 1 medium-sized onion, thyme. You can also use herbs like oregano or marojam, coriander stems, and 4 cloves of garlic. To spice up our shakshuka, we'll use 1.5 tablespoons of tomato paste, a half teaspoon of tandoori masala, half teaspoon of allspice, half teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste, but you can also use whatever spices you prefer. So let's start first with the tomato sauce. We'll slice the onions and put that aside. Then we'll finely mince the 4 cloves of garlic and put that aside as well. We will then chop the coriander stems and put that aside. Now this is optional, but I love adding thyme to mine to enhance the flavor. You can add marojam or oregano or any other herb you prefer and put that aside. Finally, we'll grate the tomatoes to create that thick paste. Next, we'll saute the onions, garlic, thyme, and coriander leaves. We'll then add tomato paste and allow this to cook well to remove the bitter taste. We'll then add the spices and let this cook for a few seconds. Then we'll add the grated tomatoes and let this cook until it forms a thick paste like you see here. If you think the paste is too thick, add a little bit of water to make it lighter. Once the paste is thick, make a hole, crack an egg and add this here. Repeat this process with all the other eggs. Now you may not always be lucky with all good eggs, but today God said yes. Let's do this, my child. Sprinkle a pinch of salt on the eggs. Give this a few minutes on medium heat until the eggs are properly cooked. Do this to check if your eggs are well cooked. Garnish with coriander leaves and put this aside. Now you can have shakshuka however you wish, but today I'll be making mine with browned bread. So first I'll apply margarine to my slices of bread, then I'll brown this in a pan until golden brown. And now we'll plate our shakshuka by placing it deliciously on top of our browned bread. You can have your shakshuka with sausages, baked beans, and even add some veggies. Do let me know what you add to spice up your shakshuka in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time on Winnfrey's Kitchen. Bye!